Hey, that bit right there hard, y'all. I almost forgot to record for y'all, but I might caught something new. For the one time.
You already know how we going in this shit. Yeah. Caught up by the fella, I ain't think this shit was fair. Don't sell by the pen, I make it so while you work for the fella. Don't shop, you shop by the 8. Don't sell by the 8. Find little shawty as bait. Fuck with me on date. Glock with me, never late. Ain't worried about you, shoot hella. Fast life, don't stop at the red light.
I told her bitch, hold her leg go. She tryna play me like a Joe. I ain't going for the bitch. Yeah, I ain't going.
At the gas station, man. Filling it up. Now you can't go with nothing but that good old 93. Let's see how much you take. I need a car wide too. I'm going ahead and goddamn put my other wheels on so y'all can get off my head. Well, gang, she only took $56, so that's pretty good. Hey, we just hit 100,000 miles, man. That junk don't even look right. That junk look funny, boy. But yeah, though, man, we got 100,000 miles on the goddamn whip right now, man. Like I said, bro, I wish I didn't have that many miles on here, because if I do decide to get rid of this car, man, I gotta do it, though. I gotta, you know what I'm saying, go with the miles issue. But the engine got less miles, so that's all I really care about. So car and transmission, unless the dude before me had to do anything to the car, I'm at 100,000 miles on both the car and the transmission. They done pulled up. I get to smash on some other opponents. And y'all can't forget, I'm running stop. Can't really do nothing in traffic though. We can stop traffic. Leaving me, sir. Put that vein down. I'm showing how to do it. I'm showing how to do it. I'm holding it by my hand, so the quality bad. I'm sorry, gang. Little G8. Yeah, go. You got it. I'm on your ass, boy. I'm on here ass. I'm on here ass. Doing all this in third gear too. Caught up in traffic with a little G8, man. Nigga wasn't talking about nothing, man. Caught up in traffic, man, as usual. I was hoping I found me a little prey. I found me a little G8. He couldn't pull. He couldn't do nothing. Little horsepower. I thought he had some work done. He ain't talking about nothing. I wish we could have stopped traffic though, but there's so much traffic we can't even do nothing, as y'all see. We can't even get no good pull. Did y'all see them SRT pages? I forgot to pull that up. School bus going faster than y'all. tab say stockish. And 12 right now. I don't know for what city. Can't be from down here. Mustang on the trailer, man. I want one of them. A Fox body. I don't know why I want one. I think my mom had one when I was little. He ain't even from around here. Know about him tripping. Mustang. Hope that motherfucker a GT. And it's a newer Mustang. So the dude that's subscribed to my channel, talking about these Mustangs, oh, I think that's a base model. I'm gonna leave them alone. That's your little sister. That's your little sister. I don't think that, nah, that's that V6. Yeah, y'all got lucky. I'll finna show them. I'll finna show them. Y'all talking about that new Mustang, man. I can't wait till I find one of them. My cousin Camaro got a 10-speed, so if I load that Mustang, you know who I got for him. We got somebody for that Mustang. Let's believe if I can't get him. One thing I like about the 5-speed too, I can hang my gears a little longer. The 8-speed snap, man. Well, what y'all think about that scat pack though I just showed y'all? Y'all think I should get a newer scat? Or keep the SRT8? That new scat look good. They had them big old rotors on them. Big old rotors. I ain't never seen that before. Dude talking about some goddamn. I told him I gotta have one fully loaded. That nigga said you might well they say make one. I ain't, but that junk sound good. Make one? Told him not right now, but I definitely ain't ready for that. Looking at my car, y'all. stay at your car, man. You gotta get them something to look at.